Okay, so this is the first of the HKS systems that we're testing. This is the HKS Legamax Premium, £1,548, so the cheapest out of the two. Let's get it out of the box and onto the table and see what's what. Nicely packaged again.
Everything kept away from all the bits, which is nice. This one looks quite heavy, quite substantial.
Yeah.
We've got a clearly massive rear silencer here, a smaller centre silencer here. Again, like the Fujitsu, we've got flanged connections between the two parts of the exhaust, and it looks like those use the OEM style crush washer style gaskets that the standard one uses. Similar to the Fujitsu again, we've got some limiting bars here to stop the exhaust moving around so much. And a really nice finish on the tips as well, isn't it? Nice branding.
I think they've all been polished tips so far.
Yeah, these are the first sort of non-stainless looking tips.
We do a lot of, they're all available in different finishes, but out of the box is pretty striking, and some nice HKS branding there as well.
Definitely. And obviously as well, we've got everything welded on, so no alignment issues like the Fujitsu, can just go straight on the car. Just got back from testing the HKS Legamax. Absolutely love the look of this one. The black ion coated tips, probably my favourite, especially with the HKS branding on. I think it looks really nice and classy. In terms of sound, it's a bit similar to the Fujitsu really. From inside, couldn't really hear it that much, which is a good thing I suppose, but from the outside it was certainly louder.